up, YouTube? D4G here, banging out another video. Hey, today is weekly rotation time. Y'all know what it is. On Monday, we drop these weekly rotations. Kind of let y'all know what fragrances I wore throughout the last week. And y'all let me know what y'all had on as well. Did y'all get some compliments? You know how we do it over here. Love to have a conversation, but let's talk about these fragrances. What up, YouTube? So as you know, man, we talking about the weekly rotation, fragrances that we wore last week. But before we do that, gotta give a shout out to all them new subscribers out there, man. Welcome. I appreciate the subscribe as well. Thank you. Hey, over here on this side of YouTube, man, we talk about FFL, football, fragrance, lifestyle. We also make sure that you looking good, smelling good, and feeling good all at the same time. So if that's something that you're interested in, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, as well as the bell notification so that you can be updated anytime we drop this content. And to all my OG subscribers out there, salute, fam. Hope everything is good with you. Weekly rotation, let's get started. I was dressed to impress this whole weekend. Let me just say that, suited and booted. So Sunday, to start the week off, we decided to go with the woody aromatic fragrance. And we're talking about John Barbados XX Artisan. Bergamot, geranium, vetiver, and a little bit of cedar is what you pick up from this. This is a very dominant, vetiver dominant fragrance. This is nice, it's clean, but it's definitely more on the mature side of the fragrance world. This is definitely one for the older gentlemen. And I ain't talking about old, you can be 30 and up with this. All I'm saying is not nobody with that's 21, 22 gonna have something like this. But I enjoy this, man. I enjoy this pickup. I've been wearing this a lot since I got it too. So shout out to my guy Danny for putting me on. Starting the week off, decided to go with John Barbados XX Artisan. This one, I just saw it, grabbed it. I was like, this is what I'm wearing. I'm trying to get into that mood instead of finding a fragrance that fits my mood. Grabbing a fragrance, a scent that I want to smell for that day, and go. So we're gonna see how it works out. Versace Euros Flame. Mandarin orange, black pepper, vanilla, and some tonka bean is what you pick up in this. This is listed as a woody spicy fragrance, which I do get that, but it could be considered citrus as well. Like, you got a nice bit of citrus up top, and it still lingers somewhat as it's working its way through the mid. It definitely fades away once it hits the base of the dry down though. Loud, aggressive. This day I was chilling, still taking care of stuff, but it was nice, man. I enjoyed it. You don't have to be in a party mood to go out, but this fragrance does fit that party mood like no other, just like with Versace Euros. It makes sense. But man, I was just in a great mood on Monday. Wanted to pull one out that I haven't worn in a while, and this was the one that made it. Versace Euros Flame. I need to knock some more dent. I need to knock a dent in this because it really ain't moving too much. But I like the scent. Now on Tuesday, we decided to go back with our John Barbados thing. And man, this one, if y'all find this in y'all rec store, man, I'm just saying, this is a nice cop if you don't have it. John Barbados Vintage. Pepper, juniper berries, you got some lavender, tobacco, as well as some tonka bean in this. Bruh, hey man, these two right now, this one for those hot days, spring, summer, love to wear this to the pool. And this one right here is just a nice, clean, masculine fragrance. It's along the lines of those mature style fragrances. So now this is slightly more youthful than what XX Artisan is, but I still wouldn't say I could see somebody too young wearing this. Like if you maybe 25 and enjoying it, but I don't know about somebody that's super young, 18, 19, and still enjoying this one. But it is a nice fragrance though, man. Juniper berry adding a little bit of sweetness, lavender giving this like creamy effect to it, tobacco in the full dry down. Bruh, hey, yeah, this is a nice one, fam. This is a nice one, man. If you don't have this one in your collection, go check it out. You can pick this up at rec stores for around that $25 price range, which is good for a scent like this. So if you want to check it out, man, you can check your local rack stores. Going with Tuesday, we decided to go with John Barbados Vintage. Now on Wednesday, hey, we had to do something a little different. Trying to make a great first impression, let me just say that. Off 9 p.m. Apple, wild lavender, orange blossom. You also got some vanilla in the dry down of this. Bruh. This is nice, man. I might spray this one. This might be the one that I spray. You also got some orange. Also got like a little bit of orange citrus in there, but not too much. Bro, this is a beautiful fragrance, man. If you haven't seen this one already, if you haven't added this one into your collection already, I don't know what to tell you, man. JPG clone, much better performance. Still need to work on knocking some dents out of this juice, but this is a nice one, man. I do enjoy this a lot. And it was feeling good on Monday too, man. It was really a great, Wednesday, my bad. Wednesday, it was just a great day, bro. It was great, man. Great first impression scent, and it did what I needed it to do. Hey, off now at 9 p.m. That's what we decided to rock on Wednesday. Now, this is going to be another one of those where I was still trying to make a great first impression, man. Hey, this week was a lot of first impressions. So we decided to go with Dolce & Gabbana, the 1 EDP Intense with that long ass name. Cardamom, neroli, clary, sage, and some leather. Bruh, hey, this one is very nice, man. I would like to say that this is a cardamom bomb. Like, it has a lot of cardamom in this, but it also has a lot of neroli. That neroli goes through all aspects of the fragrance, from the top to the mid, all the way down to the base. So you're not getting rid of that part. So if you don't like neroli, you know what I'm saying, stay away from this one. Just go with the 1 EDP. That way you not, get dabbing into something that you might not be too fond of. Neroli ain't bad for you. This bitch a banger, man. I like this one a lot. To me, this is along the lines of like Mercedes-Benz Club Black great date night fragrances. This is one of those that can still be a great date night fragrance, but I can also wear this one during the day. So it does have a little bit more versatility to it. Come on, man. Versatility. It does have a little bit more versatility to it for situations that you can wear this one in. Wear your fragrances, whatever the hell you want to wear them. I'm just telling you what I do with mine. Going into Friday, we went with the leather fragrance. Dolce & Gabbana, the 1 EDP Intense. Bro, that's a long ass name for a fragrance, bro. Now on Saturday, this is my most complimented fragrance of the week. I'm telling y'all, when I get my hands on Layton, bro, it's gonna be a wrap, fam. I really do want that one. We went with the Tour Noir, almond, cypress, heliotrope, vanilla. You got some musk in there as well. But this is a nice ass fragrance, man. I've been wearing this a lot. Still haven't knocked out a crazy dent in it. I don't know, still haven't knocked out a crazy dent. But this is one of those fragrances that's just been so easy for me to grab, especially during these cold times. This has just been one of the easiest fragrances just to grab and go. I enjoy the scent. I enjoy that sweet almond opening, the heliotrope in the background, the freshness from the cypress that comes out in the opening, the vanilla in the dry down. Damn, I can talk about this so much, man. I can talk about this one a lot, man. I really do enjoy this fragrance. This might be, if I was to do a top 10 Middle Eastern for life again, because I don't think I had this one in my list when I did my original one, best believe this bitch getting up in there. And for a $35, $40 fragrance, but this shit is nice, man. This is one of the nicer, cheaper Middle Eastern fragrances that you can get out there. And if you want a clone of Layton by Parfums de Marly, I don't know any other clones that might be better than this. Maybe White and Black. Other than that, I'm sticking with this one, fam. The Tour Noir. Now Sunday was a little bit more of a relaxed day. Me and Jaden was at the house playing the games, going outside to the park, reading a couple of books, taking care of some things, doing what we gotta do here. Just decided to wear a more chilled, laid back fragrance, not trying to do too much, nothing like that. We went with Guess Seductive Red. Lemon zest, geranium, cinnamon. You also got some vanilla. This one is nice, fam. Now, is it one that y'all have to go out and buy at the rack stores? No, it's not that nice. I enjoy having this one in my collection. Now, I do want to put y'all on a pro tip, and I might make a video about this later on. One of the things that I like to do with the Guess fragrances is spray them in a diffuser. I might have to explain that in a later video this week. I might put y'all up on some game for whenever y'all trying to impress somebody and you want your hot smelling, whatever you want them to smell like. You can have that bitch smell like ombre leather if you wanted to. Hit a couple of sprays in that diffuser, panties coming off. Let me stop. But hey, this is a decent one, man. You got that lemon zest up top. You got the cinnamon in the mid as it's working its way through. Sweetness from the vanilla once it hits the base of the fragrance. I like it. I can see how it would not be one of the most populars from the Guess Seductive line. But for me, this one's a go, man. I like it. And in my week, we decided to go with Guess Seductive Home Red. But that's gonna be the video right there, man. Let me know what y'all had on last week in the comment section. Did y'all have on anything that's just hard to get? Did y'all have any nice designers, niches, maybe some cheapies that you might have thrown in that you haven't touched in a while? Let me know down in the comment section. You know I love interacting with y'all, so make sure you drop it down there and let's have a conversation. But with all that being said, we about to get up out of here. I hope y'all have a great day. I hope y'all have a phenomenal day. Stay on your square. Stay on your purpose. Don't let nobody take you off of it. D4G truly blessed. That's there for greatness. We out. Greatness gang.